What are the current wait times for the I-130 to be approved, and what are my thoughts on the K3? So, wait times for the I-130 petition have continued to climb, unfortunately. We are seeing that most cases are being approved about 16 months after filing. Some have taken a little less, or it could be a little more, but on average, that is what we are seeing. Now, the K3 visa was created by Congress to it was an they were trying to find a way to help couples who are going through the spouse visa process to have an option that would be faster than the fiance visa. And the idea of the K3 is that you would file your I-130 petition for the spouse visa, and then later you file the K3, and that both of those applications would process at the same time. And whichever line was shorter, then you would get an approval on whichever of those cases. So it really gave you two bites at the apple. The reality is, though, it's been many, many, many years since a K3 was even approved. And really, it's unfortunately a tool that's really no longer in use. And that's because the wait times for both are really pretty much the same. Often the K3 will be longer. Have we filed them for clients over the past years? Absolutely. But it's been over almost 9 years now, if I'm recalling correctly, over 9 years since we've even had one approved. And you have to understand, too, what we talk with clients about is that when you're filing the K3, you need to understand that if that were to be approved, that's really going to change the entire trajectory of your case. It's going to add some additional steps when you get to the US. So you need to make sure you're fully educated on both before doing it, and then also having realistic expectations that really the K3 is just an archaic, really non-used tool, or non-approved really case type. So is it beneficial? It could be. It doesn't hurt, but you definitely want to have a conversation with an attorney, or at a minimum do your research and understand what it looks like. There's not a fee to file that K3, but really understanding how it's going to impact the trajectory of your case and the additional steps and costs that it can add if it were approved. But really, like I said, it's been many, many, many years since a K3 has even been approved, because those lines are really the same length, and the I-130 is obviously it's processing faster. It's the faster horse.